You probably know that some AirPods models have a heart rate sensor in them. However, this all lives in Apple Health and within the Apple ecosystem, making it basically impossible to connect to other equipment. So I built an app that runs entirely on the iPhone that takes the AirPods heart rate and exposes it as a regular Bluetooth heart rate sensor to other fitness equipment. In my example, I'm running a workout on Swift on my iPad, have the AirPods connected as a heart rate sensor, or I use my bike computer and again use the AirPods when I'm riding stationary. So I want to show you how you can use the app yourself and how you can set it up and pair with your fitness equipment. The app is called Air HRM. Once you open it, you have to put in your AirPods. Tap Start to start collecting heart rate and broadcasting it via Bluetooth. This takes a while initially, but then the number will appear on the display. Within Swift, I go to the device pairing menu, select heart rate, and connect my iPhone. You now see that these two BPM numbers are in sync and that the iPhone is actually sharing heart rate with Swift. On my Hammerhead Karoo, I open the Sensors menu, tap the plus to connect a new sensor, filter by Bluetooth sensors, and now Air HRM appears. Once the Bluetooth pairing request shows on the iPhone, I press Cancel. Starting a workout, you now see that the heart rate is synced with the Hammerhead Karoo bike computer. I can even lock the iPhone and put the app into background mode and it still collects and sends heart rate via Bluetooth. This is where you now do your workout, and once you're done, press stop. You can get the app in the App Store by searching for Air HRM or simply click the link that I put in the description.